I'm Mia. Welcome to the apartment. These are my roommates.
I'm Laura.
I'm Allie.
I'm Sayaka.
And this is our neighbor, Natalie. We'll show you around. This is our common room where we have 2 couches and a TV. A lot of times we'll have our friends come over and we'll watch movies and eat snacks together. This is our bathroom. It has everything that you could ever need. It's perfect having 2 bathrooms for 4 people. The second bathroom has a washer dryer and is also full-sized. This is the second full-size bathroom with a washing machine.
Hi! This is one of our 2 bedrooms. We get to decorate all of our walls on both sides and put all of our stuffies everywhere. We also have 2 closets with some drawer space on the bottom, and we have more drawer space over here, and we also put things underneath the beds. And this is where we have a beautiful window to look at the nice sunset every night.
Hi, welcome to my bedroom. Over here, I have my bed with my decorations and stuffed animals. I also have a nice vanity with a lot of storage space, a side table, and a lamp. Over here is my roommate Sayaka's bed. She also has a side table and a lamp, and here she could do her homework and studies at this desk. We also have lots of closet space. As you can see, we each have one with 3 compartments, which is really nice. And over here, we have a nice window that overlooks a terrace so we could see yoga and other school activities and have a nice view.
Hey, so this is our kitchen room, and there's a stove, oven, and this looks like a door, but it's actually a refrigerator, and it's very funny. And this is the window, and what's nice about this window is that we get the sunset and the sunshine straight from the sun, so then whenever we have dinner here on the table, we get to enjoy the view, and we also build our stronger friendship by cooking together.
Thanks for letting us show you around. Hope to see you in Florence soon. Ciao!